Hi, I'm Aaron Tsai, co-founder of Metron Metabolic Medical. Metron has a non-invasive radiological and surgical technology for the treatment of obesity and diabetes, as well as late-stage tumor. After 20 years of R&D, Metron plans to use the latest radiological technology or the seventh generation machine to cure obesity by zapping the peanut-sized part of the brain to eliminate the normal desire for food in one single treatment completed within 1 hour. Our co-founder and chief scientist, Professor Song, is known as the father of gamma knife in China for the invention of world's first rotary gamma ray knife in 1995. His technology is used by two public companies he founded, and another one was acquired by a public company, currently trading on NYSE, China A-share, and Hong Kong Stock Exchange, covering approximately 80% of China's market for late-stage tumor treatment. Professor Song holds 300 plus patents and was a researcher at Harvard MGH Gordon Medical Center and professor at 3 Chinese universities. Professor Song's gamma knife surgical system is world's first rotary gamma knife medical system developed in 1995 and was the first one from China to obtain US FDA approval in 1997. Metron's Baymax is the seventh generation system. We have not yet seen any competitive radiological treatment machine for obesity and diabetes in the market or under development. There are three effects of applied radiation, include damaging the cells, activation of the cells, and inhibition of the cells. When the radiation dose applied to the target tissue gradually decreases, reaching a certain threshold range, the radiation will no longer have a destructive effect on histocyte, but will significantly reduce the biological activity of histocyte, producing an inhibitory effect. For obese patients, after the abnormally excited appetite center is irradiated with suppressed doses of radiation, the cell activity greatly decreases to the precise set value, and the abnormally excited symptoms disappear, resulting in a decrease in the patient's appetite. Most patients only requires a one-time treatment. Throughout the years, Professor Song used his technology to kill tumor cells in treating late-stage tumor. Now, we believe the market is ready for us to use the latest technology to zap the brain to inhibit the desire for food. Metron is a pioneer with this new type of application. The same machine we are building can rapidly obtain US FDA approval for treatment of tumor, as there is no need to do animal and human tests. According to Vantage Market Research, global obese treatment market is valued at $11.63 billion in 2022, and is projected to reach $38.95 billion by 2030 at a CAGR of 16.3%. Novo Nordisk became Europe's most valuable company at one point last year after the Danish pharmaceutical group introduced the best-selling weight loss drug, Wegovy in UK. We initially target the US market as it is the largest market in the world for obesity treatment. The system we're building is an integrated intracranial radiosurgical treatment system, which consists of an MRI system, an electronic accelerator, a high-definition high-speed 3D imaging system, and an AI cloud system. Our radiotherapy system can be easily operated by doctors. The scope of treatment includes more than 20 types of treatments, including obesity and diabetes, intracranial tumors, AVM, and trigeminal neuralgia. We're seeking to raise up to $50 million in equity. $3 million will fund our planned NASDAQ IPO. Additional $12 million will be our 2-year budget to file US patents, build 2 prototypes, and clinical trials to obtain US FDA approval, first for treatment of tumor and then for treatment of obesity and diabetes. I'm Aaron Tsai, co-founder of Metron. I'm a US investment banker, and I founded Moss Capital in 1995. I created 101 public shell companies used for taking private companies public back in the 1990s. I have advised over 30 companies in going public in the US. I have a classic IPO case where I advised BioDelivery Sciences using one of my 101 shell companies to acquire a drug delivery technology license. I convinced a biotech investment bank in New York in taking this company public. In June 2002, BioDelivery completed a $10.5 million IPO when NASDAQ composite already dropped from 5408 to 1400s. In March 2022, BioDelivery was acquired by Collision Pharmaceutical for $604 million US dollars in cash. Now I'm ready to take Metron public with 2 IPO underwriters interested in Metron's IPO. Thank you for listening.